Take a look at this channel. They upload only rust removal videos and still get millions of views. So today I'll show you how to create videos like this using completely free AI tools. Alright, let's get started. First, open the document link in the description. Inside it, you'll find the master prompt you need. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you 10 video ideas. Choose the one that suits you. I'm going to choose the 6th idea. Now ChatGPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Next, go to Flow AI. Create a new project. Select Create Image and choose the portrait aspect ratio. Then select Nano Banana Pro. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it into Flow AI. It will generate 2 images. Download the one you like. Now select Frame to Video. Upload the image you downloaded. Go back to ChatGPT again, copy the video prompt, and paste it into Flow AI. Now download the generated video. That's the final result.